Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan launches olive plantation drive in Nowshera. Prime Minister Imran Khan has launched the olive plantation drive in Nowshera, which is a part of 10 billion tree tsunami program. Government to form parliamentary committee to finalize open vote bill. The federal government has made another progress for bringing electoral reforms following the directives of Prime Minister Imran Khan, as it was decided to form a parliamentary committee to finalize the open voting bill. LHC seeks Maryam's reply in her bail cancellation plea. The Lahore High Court has sought a reply from Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Vice President Maryam Nawaz on National Accountability Bureau's plea challenging her bail in Chaudhry Sugar Mills case. PPP opposes Maryam's proposal to impeach Senate chairman. Pakistan People's Party has opposed Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Vice President Maryam Nawaz's proposal to impeach newly elected Senate Chairman Sadiq Sanjrani. Pakistan ranks amongst top 10 countries to import arms, as international transfers of major arms saw a decline due to major drop in Russian and Chinese export. Substantial increases by the USA, France, and Germany, three of the five top arms exporters, did little to balance it out. Bitcoin takes breather after retreat from record near $62,000. Bitcoin consolidated around 60,000, taking a breather from a weekend's record high as investors prepared for inflation worries and US stimulus spending to propel it even higher. ACCA topper Zara Naeem says her global distinction unbelievable. I had never imagined scoring a global distinction, said Zara Naeem, a Pakistani student who made the country proud by scoring the highest marks in the ACCA exams, where over 5,27,000 students from 179 countries appeared. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.